my intention in this video is to solve UTME question 6 2001. It is a very logical question, and if care is not taken, to answer it correctly may be very difficult. So let us look at the question. In my previous video, I derived a formula that you can use to find the magnitude of the resultant of two forces, or two vectors rather, whichever one of the two. So I'm going to use the formula now and tell you what should be the right answer. So if we look at this one, or let me start from here, this 45 degree, which corresponds to 2. For 2 here, I will use the formula R is equal to square root A square plus B square minus 2AB cos 135. Why am I using 135? We know that when we subtract 45 from 180, we have 135. So I will use cos 135. Cos 135. By the time I finish this, it will give me A square plus B square minus 2AB times minus is 0.71, and this will give me square root A square plus B square minus 2AB, okay, plus 2 times is 0.71 now. 2 times 1 will give me 2, 14 remainder 1, that will be 1.42. So 1.42 AB. Alright, so that will be my answer for 2. Then for 0, this is 0, this is 0. So the resultant of this one will simply be A plus B. A plus B, that will be the resultant of this one. And if we use this formula as well, for that one, I'm going to get something like this. R is equal to square root this, A square plus B square minus 2AB cos 180 minus 0. The angle between two parallel vectors is 0. So 180 minus 0 will give me 0, will give me 180. So I have 180. So when I do this, I will have A square plus B square minus 2AB. Since cos 180 is minus 1, this one will change to plus. And this is what I'm going to have. Now, we have that for all of this. Let me clean these parts and then use this part for other solutions. Alright. So this is for 2 and this is for 1. For 3, I'm going to have R is equal to square root A square plus B square. Since we have right angle triangle, I'm going to have this. This is for R3, and for R4, I will have R is equal to square root A square plus B square minus 2AB cos 180 minus 180, which is 0, and cos 0 is 1. So this is what I'm going to have. So as a result of all of this, we can then argue which one is maximum. Let us check. Whether one is maximum or not is a function of what we have in the square root. Okay, let us now check. This is A plus B square is constant in all of them. but this is plus 2ab. Plus 2ab is greater than this one. Therefore, r is greater than 2. Alright? And it is greater than this, and it is greater than this. So as a result of that, we remember that 2ab is greater than 1.42ab. And 1.42ab must be greater than this. And this must be greater than this because we are subtracting this value from here. So what we now have is that R1, what we have now is R1 is greater than R2, which is greater than R3, which is greater than R4. All right. So according to that question for UTME question 6, what will now be the answer? Which one is the greatest? Which one is the maximum? If we choose R1, which is of angle 0, where theta is equal to 0, that is maximum, and that is the correct option B. So the correct answer for this question, is B. So thank you again for watching this video. This video is from Tutopedia Tutorial Center. We are located at Agbo, very close to University of Ibadan. Thank you so much.